Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WDLF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But very impressive bounce on the day. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that the day started off down around here and then ultimately closed all the way up there, any rational person would say, yeah, this was a very nice move. Now, this does all of a sudden now bring about the valid question of, yeah, great move, absolutely, but is there any sort of true power behind it? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Well, I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 0.018. Why is 0.018 important? And I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to 0.018, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would you have at that point? You would all of a sudden have the price having gone right back to where it was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of things, if the price were to come down here, because to be fair, no pricing just goes straight up either, but if the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then starts to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden, what do you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there, and if you envision each one of those as stair steps, what do you have? Well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to show signs of progress, and again, in this situation, the quote-unquote sign of progress being able to stay up above 0.018. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, next key level is going to be that pink line up there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average, and the current value of that is right up around 0.025. So keep an eye on that, but all in all, any angle you look at it, great bounce today, great price movement. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.